Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, we will start. Today we will talk about random module in Python programming. Random is about a library or module in Python programming, and we want to use it, so we will call it in that line at the beginning of the code. In that way, we will write import and the name of the module random. Import random. Here we can use it. After that, I write num equal 1, 2, 3, 4, a list of those numbers. And in this line, I write print and between two parentheses random.choice and between two parentheses num. This is a variable, that variable. And what is the meaning of that line of code? At first, print, it will print the output on the screen of random.choice and between two parentheses num. So, what is the meaning of random.choice? Random.choice is about choosing a random value from this list, our variable that contains that list. So, if we run, the output is 1, and if we run again, the output is 3, and again the output is 4, and so on. So this line is about printing the output as random.choice, choose a random value or a random number from our list, from our variable, and that's it. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to press like button, share the video and subscribe for more videos, inshallah.